And Assalamu alaikum class. Welcome back to our online classes. As you know that we are doing our grammar portions, so let's start. What is the day today? It's Wednesday, 13th of January 2021. This lecture is for class 5, obviously, grade 5, subject English grammar and textbook junior English, topic homophones, and we will solve exercise number 130 and 133 exercise you will solve by yourselves. Okay, so let's start. Before starting or solving the book, we will learn what are or what is homophone. Let's start. What is a homophone? Homophones are the words that sound the same but are spelled differently and have different meanings. Homo means same, phone means sound. Here are some examples: ate, made, whole, buy, buy. Why are homophones important? Why are homophones important? If you use the wrong word, it can confuse your reader. How is bread made? I know that, Alice cried eagerly. You take some flour. Where do you pick the flour? Now she is talking about the flour which we get from grinding some wheat, and flour can be picked from the garden. The White Queen asked, in the garden or in the hedges? Well, it isn't picked at all. Alice explained, it's ground. How many acres of ground? Said the White Queen. Now ground and ground, these are two different words, okay, with the different meanings. Ground, one is land and the other ground is to make something in powder form. Okay, hey, I saw you looking at those shoes the other day, so I bought you a pair. This is the correct spelling of pair. Which or which? Which, a woman who can use magic. A woman who can use magic, but the second which, pick from two or more options. Which drink do you want? Now spelling of which is WITCH and WHICH. Difference of the spelling but pronunciation is the same. So this is the difference of homophones. Okay, now we will move to the next example. Here or here? Here where you are located. It tells about your location, and here what your ears do. You can hear with your ears. HEAR and HERE, both are the same pronunciation, but their meaning is different. Okay, the next one. There or there. There, another location. There shows ownership. There, short for they are. They are riding their bikes over there. We have used three of these. Two or two. Two, she is going to school. Two, more also. I like that too. Two, a number. There are two. Okay, but their spellings are different. Pronunciation is the same. Two or two. TO2, TOO2, TWO2. Okay, what is the next one? Fairy or fairy. Fairy, a mythical being of folklore. It isn't found in reality. It isn't found in reality. Fairy, to carry or move on a vehicle. Usually it refers to a boat, as you can see in the picture as well. The fairy rode the ferry to Genio because she didn't want to fly. Tale or tale. Tale, a story about imaginary events. Tail, the long part of an animal's body that extend from their back. You know this is the tail, and tail means story as well. Now we will solve Junior English exercise number 130 on Junior English. I will solve one and you will solve the next exercise by yourselves. Let's start. First of all, we are going to mention classwork and after that date, which is 13, 1 and 21. Now we will solve exercise number 131. Complete each of these sentences choosing the correct word from those in brackets. We have two options over here and we have to fill the blank with correct option. The children watched the dash taking off from the runway. plane and plane. Which will come? Plane. Obviously, they are talking about airplane. We dash wet clothes to squeeze the water out of them. Ring, it's a jewelry, and ring, WRING, ring. We will write here waste not, want not, waste and waste. The full back had strained a muscle and we unable to play. Muscle and muscle. Judy asked for another piece of cake. You know the difference between piece and piece. We waited an hour for our dinner. Hour and hour. You know the difference between both of these. Wilson had just eaten a large currant bun. The horse's mane, they are talking about the hairs on horse neck, was plaited with gaily colored ribbon, mane and mane, and likes to dash every apple she eats. Peel and peel. We took the shortest route to the London. Route, you know that it's a part of a plant, and route, the way to go from one place to another. So this was our topic for today. You will solve exercise number 133 by yourself and share pictures of your work with me. Obviously, I will be waiting. If you have any kind of problem, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Take care. Allah Hafiz.